I picked up this Evenrude 5.5 motor for $150 from a guy here. So there's my boat. Me and Bubba have been wanting a boat like that for quite a while. I want to be a shrimp boat captain just like Bubba wanted to be. Got myself a Johnson 5.5 on there. Giving her a run for the first time in Eagle Creek. Very calm. Looks good. Let's see how she does. Got a guy out there already pushing 25 knots. Maybe. Probably not. But gotta figure out a name for her coming up. Let's hoping the ducks don't make it home. We'll check it out. Let's board her and see what she's got. So, last time I was over at Raccoon Lake. Seat's in the wrong place. I'm gonna put that seat there in front, put one in back, and I'm gonna level this off over here so you can actually stand on it. It's too high. This is Evenrude Johnson 5.5. It wants to go. We're gonna check it out, see how it goes. The last motor I had on here was a Sears 1968 3.3, which gave me 5 knots. We're gonna see how this puppy goes. Let's check it out. As you can see, I do have some water in here, but this isn't because of a leak, it's because it rained, and when I took the tarp off, the water wanted to come in. But we're gonna go ahead and start this puppy up and see what we got. It's in neutral. Start our first pull, see what happens. Let's give it a pump. Choke on. Come on, baby. You want to work at home. So I figured the problem is this right here is not exchanging gas. But right when I get it started, she just wants to run. It's not much faster than my 3.3, but it's stronger. When I get the money, I'll buy a true 6.6 or 6.5 Mercury. This is nice though. As long as the gas level is higher than the actual motor, it's fine. Ah, this is nice. No smoke. I'm running high octane. 90, 85, 87. I can run even higher because there's a gas station over in Brownsburg that sells high octane for the race cars for Lucas Oil. But I don't think I need to. This is doing really well. Really nice. Just full throttle. I'm doing about 8 knots, 9 miles an hour. Not bad. It's gonna get me where I want. I might just leave it this way and just put the fuel tank a little higher. This is actually working pretty good. So, what about about naming this barge. I got a few names in mind. Jolene is my favorite, but the Eunuch comes to mind. Bigfoot also comes to mind. I've had thoughts about, all my friends show up now that I have this, or I never had so many friends until I got this boat. I don't know. Just some thoughts. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to change this seat out, put it down closer, put another seat in front. But you know what? This is running really well. I got this motor for $85. I got the boat for $300, trailer included. This has been a good summer so far. Now it's time to take Terry and Pecos on the boat. See if they enjoy it. So I was told way over there by the dam area between the two separations of the bridge, there's a place that you can actually go underneath and you can go to the other side. Should I trust this? Let's trust this. Nope. Oh, she died on me. Oh, because look at that, because that fell over. I have to fix it. So that was my fault. The gas tank fell over. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little lift on here in a cage so that I can actually just leave it alone. Not have to worry about a pump. Right there. So should we go over there? Let's check it out. So I've been out in the water for the last 40 minutes. Got over to the bridge over there. I went over here. Strangely, it was murky and the motor didn't like that. So I'm heading back. I'm at full throttle. Still trying to learn how this thing works. It's honestly a beautiful day. I think I'm ready to invite some friends out. Well, I'm going to change these seats out first before I do that. But it looks beautiful. So, it's been about an hour and a half. We're on the way back. There's our dock at this point. People are still coming out for late fishing.